about compound words. Can you please read this definition for me? What is a compound word, or what are compound words?
Compound words are two words put together to make a new word. Star plus fish equals starfish. Honey plus bee equals honeybee.
Nice, perfect. So let's say word.
Bird.
Very good. Now look at the pictures. Here we have 4 pictures, and here we have some words. Let's complete the compound words. What can you write here, Tom?
Snow.
Okay. Go ahead and say the compound word.
Snowflake.
Snowflake. Well done, well done. What about the second? What can we write here?
Butter.
Let's say butter. Say the compound word.
Butterfly.
Good. And number 3?
Butter. A house.
Butter house. Are you sure? Butter house?
Bird house.
Bird house, Tom. Oh, what is butter house? Do you know? I have never heard of butter house, but that's pretty funny. So we have bird house here, okay? Bird house. And the last one is?
Jellyfish.
Jelly? Perfect. So we have jellyfish here. Well done, Tom. That was excellent work. I'm going to switch books now because I want you to practice. Please read sentence number 1.
The starfish doesn't have scales.
So which one is the compound word here?
Starfish.
Good. Let's do the second sentence.
My backpack is red and blue. Backpack.
Very good. Nice. Let's do the next one.
The orangutan lives in a rainforest.
Which one is the compound word?
Rainforest.
That's right. Number 4.
A bluebird has feathers to keep it warm. Bluebird.
Good. Number 5.
Look at the butterfly on that flower. Butterfly. Good.
That's the compound word in this sentence. And the last sentence?
Look at that big yellow sunflower.
Which one is the compound word?
Sunflower.
Great. Here we have some pictures. I want you to look at the pictures and choose the phrases for compound words.
Snowflake, compound words.
Okay, very good.
Frog, other words. A starfish, compound words. A butterfly, compound words.
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 Mhm.
Um,
It's a parrot. Parrot. A type of bird.
and hamster. Other words.
Good. Thank you. That was awesome. Let's see if you can put the words together to make some compound words. Now,
Football.
okay. What goes with flower? Look at the words. It's a big yellow flower.
Butterflower.
Look. What goes with
Sunflower.
sunflower? Okay. Look at the words. You can look at the pictures too, but the words are better to look at. Let's see the next. If you don't know one compound word or you can't find the match, then go jump to the next one.
Handbag.
Well done.
Cheese. No.
But we have something else for stick.
Lipstick.
Lipstick. Very good. What else?
Cupcake.
Yeah, perfect. Cupcake.
Jellyfish. Cowboy.
Oh, well done.
Snowman. Sandcastle.
Sandcastle.
And butterfly.
Very good. Awesome. Thank you. That was excellent work. Look. Everything is correct here. Well done, Tom. You need to put the letters in an order to make the words. Okay?
Butterfly.
So please say the letters.
B. U. T. E. No, T. E. R. F. L. Y.
Nice.
G. O. I. Oh, no. L. D. X. I. S. H.
Good. Well done. What's the word?
Goldfish.
Goldfish. Oh, here we have the famous flower.
S.
Okay.
U. N. F. L. O. E. Huh?
What comes after O?
W. E. R.
Good. Perfect. Let's see what is the next compound word.
R.
R.
A. I. N. B. O. W.
What's the word?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Perfect. Oh, this is a long
S.
one. Mhm.
T. R. A. B. W.
This is the
B.
first part. Straw.
E. R. Y.
Very good. Say the word for me.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.